Welcome to Kalpit Classroom. Today I will speak about jojoba as an aromatherapy plant. This is not Indian plant and hence you are not familiar with this plant. And also this plant is not having that much importance in aromatherapy like jasmine and lemon. Let's continue with jojoba as an aromatherapy plant. The botanical name of jojoba is Simonsia chinensis and it belongs to family Buxaceae. In this slide, we will see the description or information about Simonsia chinensis. Jojoba is basically a native of Arizona, northwest Mexico, and southern California. So, this is the plant which is not having Indian origin. It is found in Arizona, northwest Mexico, and southern California. The jojoba plant is a perennial shrub and it does not require lot of water for their survival. It means the plant can grow also in less amount of water or in conditions where there is not adequate water supply. Jojoba does not have proper aroma like lemon and jasmine, but it is mixed with other oils in aromatherapy. So, if you take jojoba, there is no any particular specific aroma or fragrances, but this jojoba oil is mixed with other essential oils in aromatherapy. Jojoba oil is not directly used in aromatherapy, but it is used as a carrier oil. As said earlier, jojoba oil does not have direct applications in aromatherapy and hence it is used as a carrier oil. That is, it is used as a base material for other aromatherapy products. Now we will see chemical constituents of jojoba. Jojoba contains fatty acids which includes palmitic acid, stearic acid, arachidic acid, oleic acid, palmitoleic acid, linoleic acid, linolenic acid, and fatty alcohols. So, major components or chemical constituents of jojoba or Simonsia chinensis includes different types of fatty acids and fatty alcohol. Now we will proceed with uses of jojoba. As said earlier, there are not proper uses of jojoba in aromatherapy or there are no any therapeutic uses of jojoba. It is always used as a carrier or it is always used by mixing with another essential oils. Hence, we will see the general uses of jojoba, that is Simonsia chinensis. Jojoba oil is popular in hair and skin care industry in United States of America. So in America, so many hair and skin care products are available in which jojoba oil is very popular as one of the aromatherapy ingredients. These jojoba products are found in India on very low basis or low quantity as this plant is basically a foreign or abroad plant. Jojoba oil is used in the treatment of eczema, sunburn and psoriasis. So these are the few types of skin diseases: eczema, sunburn, and psoriasis. And in this skin treatment, jojoba oil is extensively used. Jojoba is used as a base oil for skin care and massage oils. So as said earlier, jojoba oil is never used directly in aromatherapy purpose. It is always mixed, or it is always used as a base oil. And jojoba oil is used as a base oil for skin care and massage oils. Thanks a lot for watching this video. As said earlier, jojoba is not having that much importance in aromatherapy. Hence, I am concluding this lecture shortly. Thank you.